from Revelation chapter 21, verse 4. And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away. In our hour of deepest sorrow, we can receive profound peace from the words of the angel that first Easter morning. He is not here, for he is risen. He is risen. He is risen. Tell it out with joyful voice. He has burst his 3 days' prison. Let the whole wide earth rejoice. Death is conquered. Man is free. Christ has won the victory.